Morning, morning, y'all. As you can see, I have my basket here and some beautiful looking purple hull peas. You know what time it is. It's harvest time. Let's do it. This one is super dry, but that's good for seeds. That one just bind all the way up to the top. Well, very nice. All right, here's what we have so far. Might have waited a little long on some of those. We'll see. Let's continue on down the road here. There was a few right in this area. Nice little purple hull pea harvest. Toss those in the basket. Here's what our harvest basket looks like so far. Very nice purple hull peas harvest. Now we're getting ready to do a major carrot harvest, y'all. This is the short and sweet variety. Look at those short and sweet variety carrots. This is the no thin method. Look at all those carrot greens. Wow. Moving on. See, this one even had tons of space, and it had tons of space, and that's all as large as it got. So short and sweet variety. This carrot was going to seed. It's got a very bizarre shape. That is one huge pile of short and sweet carrots right there. And I have this huge planter full of them right here. Looks like they're actually growing out of the planter, doesn't it? But they're not. It's our harvest. It's an incredible, harvest down there. We'll spread those. Alrighty, there's our row now. All the carrots gone. There may be still a few in there, but very few. So now we just have the purple hull peas in here. Maybe a volunteer tomato here and there, but probably not. Awesome harvest. We are also going to harvest the carrots out of the styrofoam cooler. Oh wow, another bird's nest. Are you kidding me? Wow, I did not know that was there, or I would not have harvested all of the carrots. Thanks for stopping by Arizona Homestead today. I went inside and cleaned up those carrots and juiced them, and let me tell you, that was the most delicious carrot juice I have had in a very long time. Please share, like, and subscribe to help our channel grow. We appreciate all of you, and as always, be happy, be well, and be blessed. Until next time, bye-bye.